This video is sponsored by Editor's Keys. For audio recording and editing solutions, visit editorskeys.com. This is the FiiO E12 Mont Blanc portable headphone amplifier, kindly supplied to us by EA Audio for our headphone reviews. You can check out a link to EA Audio's website in the video description. Now, the FiiO E12 is beautifully presented in this really clean looking box, and I'm going to show you everything you get inside the box and also let you know really how this could fit into your setup to improve the way you listen to your music and improve the sound of your headphones as well. So let's take a look at what we get first of all. So we've got the main section of the box on the left, which contains the FiiO E12. We'll have a closer look at that in a short while. We've also got some information here, a warranty card, and also an introduction to the FiiO E12. And then in this right hand section we have some cables and accessories. So let's get these out and we'll show you what each of these do in turn. Now the first is a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, and you're going to use this to connect the FiiO E12 between maybe your smartphone or portable MP3 player. A very simple connection and a nice quality cable. The reason it's so short will become clear when we show you the FiiO E12 connected to our iPhone 5. And then we've got some little rubber feet. These are used to place on the back of the E12. They give a little bit of spacing between the headphone amplifier and your smartphone or MP3 player. And then we've got some rubber bands, two different size rubber bands, so it will accommodate different size smartphones. And these go around the E12 and connect it to your smartphone or music player so that they can be carried around really as one device. And last but not least is the USB cable. This is full-size USB to micro USB, and you're going to use this to charge the 880 mAh internal battery in the E12. Now they supply a really nice neoprene pouch as well inside the box. It's got a Velcro fastener across the top, nice to keep your E12 safe and sound whilst you're travelling about with it. Now we're going to look at the star of the show, which is the E12 itself. Constructed of metal, nice brush metal finish as well with beveled edges. Really well constructed. Across the top here we've got the volume control, a couple of LEDs, 3.5mm cable connector and also your headphone connection. The actual volume control feels really superb. It's sort of got a knurled design around the outside, very tactile and a very positive feel to it. This not only acts as the volume control, but also turns the device off and on. On the side, we've got a crossfeed on-off switch and also a 0 to 16 dB gain switch. The other side across the bottom is completely clear, and then the opposing side has got the input for that USB connector and also a bass boost switch, which in my experience I didn't really like using. It didn't seem to sound that natural when I switched this to on. That's just a personal preference though. The only thing you're going to find on the back of the unit is a tiny reset switch and some information about the E12 Mont Blanc. So this is a really nice device. In use it sounds absolutely superb. It really keeps the distortion of your audio down to a minimum, and it can drive some really high-end headphones. The total maximum output is as high as 850 milliwatts. When we introduced the FiiO E12 into our setup, the headphones we were listening to really transformed to give a much more effortless sound, a greater amount of detail, and an overall just a much more pleasurable listening experience. So we hope you've liked this video. If you have, please do hit that like button. Please do subscribe so you don't miss out on the rest of our headphone reviews. And we'll see you all in the next video.